Okay, what I have is a 2014 Camaro, and I was having key problems. Let me show you this first. This is 86. It was up a lot higher. I've had the key off. Was up to 114 at one point, but right now it's 85 degrees. Anyway, it was up to 114 degrees. What this is a solenoid, and it releases the key. What I did first was I cleaned my key real good. Cleaned out all the little debris and stuff in the laser cut. Lubricated it. It works a lot smoother now. What I was doing, I couldn't remove the key. There's this bottom panel. There's 2 screw holes and a small hole right here. This is a 2.5-inch screwdriver. I'd put it up in the hole, and what it would do is then I'd move this lever. There'd be a slight tension from this right here. This moves, which locks it, unlocks it. So, and that works. But you can see this is a $20 part. So it's like order GM part, $20. This right here, the screw, if you replace it, turn it clockwise, goes up like this, turn it clockwise to remove it. And this right here, I removed it to make it easier to get to this. This is counterclockwise like normal screws. This is not. It's opposite. So keep that in mind. So there you go. For $20, I'm going to get it fixed, and it should solve the problem. So there we go. All right. Good luck to you.